Let's learn about Transpose tool. The Transpose tool provides a function that reverses the pivot direction of the crosstab tool you learned earlier. The difference is that Transpose tool does not aggregate your data, but rather it simply flips the column and row positions. Let's go to the Transform toolbar, and I'll drag Transpose tool and drop it onto the canvas. And I'll connect it with the crosstab tools output node. If you look at the incoming data from the crosstab tool, the three fields toward the right are numerical fields. And since the sales are separated by the sales channel columns, if you want to get, for example, a percentage of these sales data to calculate some commission or something, that you would need to repeat your multiplication to all three columns. So let's save such trouble by using the Transpose tool to align these three columns into one. Let's go to the configuration pane on the left. You will see key columns and data columns option boxes. From the key column box, we will select the fields to be grouped. And from the data columns, we will select the data columns that we want to realign. So from key column, I'll select brand, model, region, which is the same. And from data column, it's already selected as default. Dealerships, direct-to-consumer digitalization, direct-to-consumer multi-channel. And same concept with the earlier explanation of this unknown column from the select tool. You want to consider this option when you have different data schema coming in after this set of data stream that you are bringing in first. So in this case, we know for sure that there is no unknown columns coming in, so it is okay to unselect, but it's also okay to just select it. Leave it as a default. Below there's a missing columns option box. From here, you can choose whether to generate a warning message or error message, or even ignore when there are empty fields processed in the Transpose tool. And this option box is chained together with this unknown column in case of missing columns when the data schemas are different. So after all selection is complete, let's hit run. If you look at the result pane, you will see the name and value columns. This is where the Transpose tool output looks different from the crosstab output. All fields selected from the data columns are listed in the name column. And all values that belongs to those fields are brought into the value column. So by using crosstab and Transpose tools, you can massage your data into any aggregated level and structure as you need. This concludes our review of the Transpose tool. Please practice and complete the assignment according to the instruction below the Transpose box. And also complete the assignments for the summarize and sort boxes as well.